Hello and welcome to Setup Tour of Zoho Commerce Connector for Prestashop. We will show you the installation and complete setup process of the module. Let's start. First step is to log in with your Prestashop admin panel and go to Module Manager. Now click the Upload a Module and select the module zip. It will install the module. Once you see the message module installed, click the Configure button. It will take you to the module configuration page. Now the setup process of module will begin from here. The first step is to copy the redirect URI from module setting page and click Generate Client ID and Secret button present at left bottom of page. It will open the Zoho login page. Log in with your account. If this is your first app, then click Get Started button, otherwise click Add Client button. Select server-based applications in client type. Add any client name. Add home page URL of your site. Add authorized redirect URIs as displayed in module setting and click Create. Now, copy client ID, paste in module setting in respected field. Now, copy client secret, paste in module setting in respected field. Now, enter any dummy values in tokens. Now, select the domain of your Zoho account. Click Save. Now click Generate Tokens button. Click Accept. Once it will be connected, it will display the tokens. Once you see the tokens, refresh the module configuration page and you will see that tokens are present in respected fields. There are one more fields in module setting, Zoho Commerce Organization. Select the Zoho Commerce Organization in which you want to sync the records. Now save the configuration. Module setting is complete. Now we will show you the syncing of category and products to Zoho Commerce. Click the Zoho Commerce menu and you will see the sync menus. Now click the sync category. Click the export button to sync the category from Prestashop to Zoho Commerce. Import button will do the reverse of export. We have synced the category and you can see the synced category list is updated. Let's see them in Zoho Commerce also. See categories are present in Zoho Commerce. You need to repeat same process for products also. We have tried to cover all points, mainly the setup process. In case of any query, comment here or mail us at support@opencartcity.com. For further updates, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching the video.